Hi, this is Doctor Philip Cordova with Core Chiropractic. Today I will answer that very commonly asked question is, why can't I just adjust myself? So I'm a chiropractor, I know how to adjust people, I don't adjust myself. The main reason is each vertebrae can move up to 16 different directions. So it can move forward, back, tilting, and then turning, and every combination of that. Trust me, it's 16 different directions. And so first of all, you have to know which way that vertebrae has moved out of alignment, which bone needs to move, and how to use the right amount of force in the right direction to return that vertebrae to its right position. So even in myself, if I find a vertebrae in my neck, I can go, this one's out of alignment, and I know which way it needs to move. To get the right angle, to get the right force to move it into the right place is something that I cannot do by myself. So a lot of times you'll see somebody, they grab their head and they do one of these things, and what they've contacted is their chin. They've not contacted their spine at all. Therefore, there's no way that they can effectively get that vertebrae to move the right direction. Other people just grab their whole head and yank, same problem. Another very common method is somebody grabs you from behind, bear hugs you, and lifts you up and gets everything to pop and crack. And yes, things did move and things did pop and crack, but there's nothing specific about it. When we do adjustments, we're going to use tips of our fingers or a little bone in our wrist, not our entire chest. And the same line, walking on someone's back uses their entire foot to crush that spine back and forth. And if that vertebrae has shifted this way and they use their foot to further move it the wrong way, even though they've made a crack happen, it doesn't mean that they've made the problem any better. So I highly recommend that patients not adjust themselves, particularly when they start chiropractic care. What we've found is that if I can just adjust it the right way, the right bone, the right direction a few times, that feeling that something needs to crack will start to go away. If, however, I adjust you, I move it right back, and then you leave and start cracking yourself and doing things, you can easily undo all the progress that we've just made. So you should not try to adjust yourself. You should not try to adjust other people, and I use that term adjust loosely. Instead, let the chiropractor adjust you the right direction, the right way, and that will help you get the right result.